Heartily welcome to my channel, My Home, My Study. Today we'll be learning or solving the chapter number 1, Local Time and Standard Time from A Standard Geography. So moving to the question. Question number 1 is complete the sentence by selecting the correct option. Option तो चूज करना है, उसके साथ उसका रीज़न भी लिखना है क्यों सही है ये. First one, the earth requires 24 hours for one rotation in 1 hour. What will be the answer? Third one. देखो 15 longitude will face the sun. As the earth rotates in 360 degree, it will take about 15 longitudes to rotate around the sun. Therefore 360 degree by 24 is equal to 15. Okay, third वाला आंसर आएगा. Second, to calculate the difference between the local time of any two places on the earth. So what will be the answer? Second one, the difference in degree of their longitude should be known. Hence, if we know how many longitudes lie in between places, we can add 4 that may times and find out the difference between the local times of those two places under consideration. Now see the C1. The difference between the local time of any two consecutive longitudes is, the answer will be second one, 4 minutes. The sun is positioned at 360 degrees at 24 hours. Therefore 360 degree by 24 is equal to 15 degrees at 1 hour by 60 minutes. Therefore 1 degree is equal 60 by 15 is equal to 4 minutes. The second one, give geographical reason. First one, the local time is decided by the noon time. So the answer is, copy down from here. Answer, the sun reaches the maximum height in the sky almost half of the daytime is over and this time is considered 12 noon. The time of particular place as decided by the overhead position. Position of the sun in the sky considered as the local time of that place. Second point, during the rotation of the earth, when a particular longitude comes exactly in front of the sun, it is considered as noon time. 12 noon on the longitude. This noon time is considered as local time of that longitude. In this way, the local time is decided by the नून टाइम. आप यहाँ से कॉपी करो ये आंसर, ये पॉज करके ना इसको आंसर लिख लो क्योंकि ये टेक्स्ट बुक में नहीं दिया है. Okay, next question is, the local time at Greenwich is considered to be the international standard time. So the answer is, okay, the answer is the international standard time has been decided according to 0 degree longitude. Second point, 0 degree longitude passes through Greenwich, England. Third point, for an international coordination, it is essential to bring compatibility between the standard time of various countries in the world. For this purpose, the local time of Greenwich is considered to the international standard. Now third question is, the standard time of India has been decided by the local time at 82.5 degree east longitude. So the answer will come like this. With respect to the longitudinal extent, 82 degree 30 Celsius east longitude passes through the middle of India. Second point, the difference between the local time at 82 degree 30 Celsius east longitude and the local time at extreme east and west longitude passing through India is not more than 1 hour. Therefore, the standard time of India has been decided by the local time at 82 degree 30 Celsius east longitude. Okay, next question is, Canada has 6 different standard times. So the answer is, the longitudinal extent of Canada is between 52 degree 37 Celsius west and 141 degree west. Second point, the difference between the extreme east and west longitude passing through Canada of 88 degrees. Third point, the difference between the local time at extreme east and west longitude passing through Canada is of 352 minutes. That is 5 hours and 52 minutes. Therefore, it is not particularly helpful to consider single standard time. Synchronizing the routines activities in the country, Canada has 6 different standard time. Student, this answer is not given in textbook. You have to copy down from here. Okay, next question, answer in brief. If it is 12 noon at 60 degree east longitude, then explain what would be the time at 30 degree west longitude. So the answer will come like this. The difference between 60 degree east longitude and 30 degree west longitude will be of 90 degrees. The difference of 60 degrees between 0 degree and 60 degree east plus the difference of 30 degrees between 0 degree and 30 degree west is equal to 90 degrees. Difference in local time 90 into 4 is equal to 360 minutes. 360 minutes by divided by 60 minutes. So answer will become 6 hours. Longitudes lying to the east on any longitudes are ahead of the time of that longitudes, while those lying to the west are behind. Therefore, if it is 12 noon at 60 degrees longitudes, then it would be 6 am at 30 degree west longitude, behind by 6 hours. Okay. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हाउ इज़ द स्टैंडर्ड टाइम ऑफ अ प्लेस डिटरमाइंड? किसी जगह का स्टैंडर्ड टाइम कैसे मालूम किया जाता है? सो द आंसर इज local time of any place is determined by its longitudinal location. It varies with different longitudes. As a result, many places within a country can have multiple local times. This could disturb the coordination in the routine activities in the country. Thus, the local time of a longitude passing through the middle of the country is taken as the standard time of that country. Usually, a single standard time is used if the difference between the longitudinal extent of the country is less than 1 or 2 hours. Otherwise, multiple standard time are used. For example, Canada has 6 time zones. At the global level, the world has been divided into 24 time zones. These zones have been created with reference to the prime meridian itself. Thus, the standard time of any country is expressed in terms of GMT. Next question, a football match being played at Sao Paulo, Brazil, started in India at 6 am IST. Explain what would be the local time of Sao Paulo. Answer is, local time of any place is determined by its longitudinal location. There is a wide longitudinal extent between Brazil and India. Thus, local time of both countries would vary to a large extent. Longitudinal location of Sao Paulo, Brazil is equal to 46 degree 30 Celsius east. Longitudinal difference is equal to 82 degree 30 Celsius east minus 46 degree 38 Celsius west is equal to 129.13 degree. Time difference is equal to 129.13 degree 4 minutes is equal to 516.53 minutes is equal to 8.60 hours. Thus, local time at Sao Paulo, Brazil is equal to 9.24 pm of previously day. Next question, if it is 10 pm on 21st June at prime meridian, write the dates and time at A, B, C in the table. Place, see the place A, longitude 120 degree east. What will be the date? 22nd June and time 6 am. 160 degree west, 21st June, 11:20 am. 60 degree east, 22nd June, 2 am. Next question number 5. Write the situation of place A shown in this diagram in the boxes below. First, sunrise, midnight, noon, sunset. So first diagram will come midnight. Point A lies in the shadow region. Also it located diametrically opposite to the position of noon. Hence midnight. Second diagram is sunset. Point A is about to enter into the shadow region as indicated from the direction of rotation, counterclockwise. Next, third one is sunrise. Point A is about to enter into sunlight region as indicated from the direction of rotation, that is clockwise. Hence sunrise. Next, fourth one, noon. Point A lies in the sunlight region. Also the sun is exactly over the head of point A. Hence noon. With this, we are completing our question answer series. If you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe it now and share with your friends. Meet you soon with our next video.